Flowers fam, welcome back to Curly Flowers. It's your girl Aishi here. As you have already guessed from the thumbnail, we will be recreating Shraddha Kapoor's look from her movie Stree. As I haven't watched this movie yet, but I will definitely catch it up before our video drops out. And the hype of this movie is just incredible, and we all love Shraddha Kapoor and adore her so much, not for her movies but for her nature and grounded personality. And as a personal opinion, I love her so much from her first movie, or no, from her second movie Aashiqui 2, and I love her character so much, Aarohi. For her look, we will be recreating her look from her song Khoobsurat. As you can see the picture, she has worn minimal makeup, minimal jewelry, and her red sari, her outfit is just bomb lasting, her look. So now let's just start it with the makeup. As you can see in this picture, her full makeup is done, her full outfit is done with a minimal jewelry, minimal makeup, and her red sari is just looking fabulous. Her whole look is looking just fabulous. And if you see her makeup, her freckles are easily visible, as this is my first recreational video of her, as she is my favorite. But it is first recreational video, I'm a bit nervous, and as she is having a good skin texture and I don't have, a little bit similar. So we will be just creating the texture or the base with the foundation and concealer. So let's just start it. We will be applying just a minimal amount of makeup on our face, except for the eyes. She has done a golden and black kajal on her eyes. So first let's just go with the base primer to hold our makeup for a longer time. You can see the glow on my face after applying the primer. It's just pixie dust. Now let's go with the foundation. Just a drop of foundation. We will be using minimal foundation to get that a little bit smooth texture of our base. You can see the difference. There's a huge difference with a minimal makeup. Now if you see her chiseled face, like unlike me, I have a egg-shaped face. So we will be doing a lot contouring to get that chiseled on our face. So let's just start. Now let's just blend it with the beauty blender. Now let's just move to the eye part. If we see her brows, if we see her eyebrows, she has given them a shape with a little bit lifted look and a thick look. So let's just give it a try to do. And I won't be using a gel to give a thickened look. I will just brushing them off. This looks quite good. Now let's move to the eyeshadow part, the main part of this look. She has done a golden and a combination of black, as you can see in this picture. Or I will just add it here so you can easily see the picture. In this, she has done with a golden eyeshadow and just a stroke of liner and the kajal in upper lid and lower lid. So now let's just start with the golden eyeshadow. Now first let's just go with a lighter shade of golden. Now let's just apply a wing or a stroke of eyeliner. Now you can see now you can see the look I created, and you can see the eye look of Shraddha Kapoor. It's almost just same like 1920. Halka. You know what did you say that? Oh, I forgot. Leave it. Now let's just do my second eye. I have done the eyeshadow and eyeliner part and the kajal part. Now let's move to the mascara. As you can already see, I have already applied mascara on my one eye because I forgot to shoot that part. So now let's begin with the second one. Now if you see her blush, she has used a very minimal blush. So we will be applying very bit of blush. But due to the lightning, her all face is looking pink. But if you see carefully, she has applied a pinch of blush. Apply blush. Now let's just blend it with a brush. Now let's just apply the setting powder to fix our makeup, and then lipstick. That is the last part of our makeup. So now let's just move to lipstick. If you see, she has worn a very light pink color lipstick. So let's see if we have that or not. This was the shade I was talking about. This is Cherry blush. Now let's just apply it. But before applying, always apply a lip balm or a moisturizer on your lips, so your lips will be hydrating. Be moisturized. I'm using this Vaseline petroleum jelly. Now let's just apply the lipstick. Give it a bite, so the excessive part of our lipstick will be removed. So yeah, this was the shade I was talking about, the cherry blush. So I am done with the makeup. Now let's move to the outfit. If we talk about her outfit, she has worn a very beautiful deep red color sari. The cloth of that sari is Georgette, but I got that sari in a satin cloth. Let me show it to you guys. I will be back in 2 minutes. So this was the outfit I was talking about. This is the blouse. This is stitched by my mother, and I got this fabric from a local market, not from online platform or somewhere. So this is the blouse, and I somehow got the not exact shade of what she was wearing, but similar to the shade. And I got this in a georgette cloth, so I hope I can wear this as similar, and let me just show you after wearing. So this was the outfit. I got it from my market. Now let's just accessorize it with some jewelry. As you can see, she has worn a very minimal golden earrings, so I got these. I will be wearing these. Now if you see, she has worn a small bindi on her forehead. So I forgot, but let's make it with an eyeliner. Now let's just apply bindi with a liner. So this was the So this was the whole outfit I was talking about, and I recreated it. I know it's not very similar to her, but I just give it a shot and want to try it, as it was my first recreation video. So if you guys like it, give a thumb up to the video, and comment down your favorite part in the comment section, and give me new ideas for next video in the comment section. Subscribe for more. You can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is curly_flaws, and follow me for more tricks and tips. Till then, keep glowing. Bye bye.